Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm making noodles. Yeah, African Indomie to be precise. Let's get started. Oil in a pan, just a little oil. So I'm going to add in some onions. So at this point my oil is hot. I just added in the onions and I'm going to saute it for some minutes. Saute it for some minutes. So I've got curry, thyme, so at this point I'm going to add in chopped tomatoes, not too much. I just need a little. I will put in this in a plastic container and I'll put it in the fridge. I'll use it within 3 days. So I'm adding in some chicken stock, just a little, 3 packs. Let me have this. I'm using 3 packs. I need to cook. Yeah, it's for you. I need to make it for you. Okay, so you have to drop it here. I'm making 3 packs. Yeah. So, but I won't be using all of this spice in it. Maybe I'll be using one of it because my chicken stock is quite tasty. Yeah, so when I open, I take off the spice and I break it in 4 because my toddler is eating as well. So let me have this third one. So I'm adding in the spice. I'm using just one because I've got a tasty chicken stock, just as I said. Stir in. So right now I'm going to add in the noodles. So I've just added the packs of noodles. So I'll cover this to boil for like a minute. Yeah, just 1 minute. So at this point I'm going to add in frozen vegetables because these frozen vegetables needs to cook for 3 minutes. So add it in. So I'm adding in a bit of water.
There's a water. Are you making?
It's on medium heat.
It's a noodles.
Yeah, these noodles.
Yeah.
You like noodles?
Yeah, kids like noodles. I get it.
You like noodles?
Yeah. Well.
So guys, I'm going to leave it open because I don't want the noodles too soggy and too soft. So I just want it a bit one. I don't know how to explain. I don't want it too mushy. If you get what I mean. So that's why I'm leaving it open. So it just the excess water just evaporates. I've just checked. I haven't got much pepper on it, so I'm going to add in a bit of pepper. Yeah, that's enough. Just a little bit of pepper. Stir that in. So I've just noticed the water inside is drying up, so I'll lower down the heat. Yeah, I'm cooking. Guys, the noodles is ready.
1, 2,
Yummy.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Orange. Look at orange.
Guys, the noodles is ready.
This is ready.
Yeah.
1,
So yummy. Let me have a taste.
Have a tip.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up,
If you want to subscribe.
share and subscribe. Tastes really nice. Titi, do you want some?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I'll give you some, okay?
I want noodles.
Okay, I'll give you some.